Hi mga Kabayan Techers! This is your The Kabayan Tech. Two is we're going to replace a cracked display of an iPhone 8 Plus.
Welcome. 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 Welcome.
So let's begin. So the things that we need for today would be the JCV1S, we have the screen remover, we have the black stick, and then we have the 40mm triple Y0 pentalobe, and also the screw head, and we have the ESD13 and the pick. Okay, we also have the replacement screen, and also the screen adhesive for that one for us to use later on. I removed the security screws. Okay, using the pentalobe. You could see as a guide on the other videos where I replaced the battery for an iPhone 8 Plus. It has the same procedure. Okay, and then mapapansin nyo po ito, meron po siyang true tone. Okay, and then for that guide to use the JCV1S, there is another video on Troubleshooting Thursday on how to transfer true tone from the original screen going to the replacement screen. Okay, so tinanggal ko na po yung screen. And then, tinanggal ko na rin po yung mga metal covers po ng battery at nung camera. And we're going to start removing the cables for our phone. We are going to deal with internal cables for our phone. Always wear po an ESD strap for you to protect your phone and also yourself. Okay? So we're going to grab a pointed black stick and we're going to remove the battery of the phone. That's the first thing that we're going to do. Next would be is to use the flat end and take out the display and also the home button connector. And then dito po, we're going to remove the camera cable from the back and then twist it. Matatanggal na po siya. Clean out the edges of the phone from the adhesive. Okay, and para po dumikit po yung screen adhesive na bago, we use a cotton swab or a Q-tip and dip it on isopropyl alcohol and then i-guide nyo po around para malinis po at para dumikit po yung adhesive. So next would be the adhesive that we're going to use. 3 layers po itong adhesive na gagamitin natin. So I take out the big one. Tanggalin ko po siya. Next would be to put it from corner to corner. Then this tab, tanggalin po natin siya. Okay, and then we set this one aside. So we're going to transfer the front camera and the home button dito po sa bagong screen natin. There is a video on the procedure on how to do that. On a Troubleshooting Thursday on how to transfer the front camera and also how to transfer the home button from one screen to the other. So nailagay na po natin, nailipat na po natin ang ating front camera and home button. This screen, we're going to transfer it dito na po sa ating phone. Okay, first thing that we're going to do is to connect the home button and also the display cable and also our camera cable. Then the last part would be to test muna yung phone. We're going to connect the battery. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to test is pag on po ng phone, tingnan natin kung nagre-react po yung home button. So okay po siya. We go on to your settings and then we go on to display and brightness. So pwede po nating i-adjust. Tingnan natin kung nagre-respond. Then meron po tayong true tone dito. Okay? Then yung home button po, when it goes to passcode and Touch ID, tingnan nyo kung mababasa yung finger, cancel nyo lang. Next would be to test the front and back camera kasi tinransfer po natin yun. So back, and then we have the front. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is to turn off the phone and we're going to put back the metal covers. So let's put back the metal covers. Unahin muna natin yung nasa taas, which is for the camera. Then itong battery cover. And then we're going to take out the the adhesives. Okay, again, naka-clip lang po ito. So we start off with the top portion. Push down nyo lang po siya. Okay, and then the next one is ito pong cable na to. Itatak po natin siya in using a flat stick. So itak lang po natin siya pababa para hindi siya maipit from the side. And then ito po ibababa natin. And then until we secure everything and push them a bit. So while we are turning it on, let's put back the security screws. Okay, and that's it mga Kabayan Techers. This is your The Kabayan Tech. Thank you very much and have a good day.